Alright team, quick and dirty vid for you once again. Today we're trying out this new Dirt Destroyer bike cleaner. So this is from the guys at the Dirt Guide Road Guide, otherwise known as Northern Accessories. Meant to be one of those quick and easy, just spray on, let it soak for a while and spray off kind of cleaning jobs. So we're going to give it a go. Apparently it smells amazing, almost to the point where you could drink it. So they say multiple times on the label, always make sure to store in a cool dry place with the trigger nozzle off. So as you can see, Rosie the Rally, a wee bit grimy, did a bit of riding on the road, so yeah, not perfectly clean, but not the dirtiest either. So we're going to give this a good spray and see how we go. Right, we let that sit for about 7 minutes, says on the bottle. Yeah, 6-7 minutes, let Dirt Destroyer do its thing. Alright, we'll come back in about 7 minutes. Alright, just showing while we're waiting for it to do its thing, we use about half of the 1 litre sprayer. I wasn't exactly trying to conserve it or anything, so yeah, half a litre to a bike, comes in a variety of sizes and such, so yeah, bike's doing its thing. Hopefully the Dirt Destroyer destroys the dirt and we have a clean motorcycle with minimal effort. So yeah, alright, that's our timer. So now, it says on the bottle, we just wash it off with water. So I imagine best results would come from a pressure washer, but mine's broken, so we're just going to use the jet function on the regular hose. So here we go. Now we just wipe it down with a nice cloth. And she's done. Break out the Auto Glue microfiber finishing cloth. So, let's take a quick look. It's looking pretty alright, I reckon. All the bugs have gone away off bike busters and mirrors in the front. Fork guards are looking a bit cleaner. Always tricky to get up in that spot. Engine's looking a lot cleaner as well. Much cleaner in there. Overall, pretty happy with that. Should be noted, I didn't pay for this. I don't actually know what the price is currently. Meant to be slightly cheaper than the competitors, and it does pretty much the same job. So I'm quite happy with that. I can drip dry the rest of its bits and it'll be ready for its next mission. So thanks for watching this. If you found this vaguely useful at all, hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along for the next ride, next bit in the motorcycle journey. Cheers.